An infrared thermometer is used for fast and easy way to measure human body temperature. This is how to use it. Open the battery bin cover and load the battery properly. Temperature pattern for measuring human body temperature. Aim the thermometer at the center of your forehead. The distance is 1.3 cm. Press the measurement button to temperature measurement. The temperature measurement shows from the LCD screen. After using it, sanitize by wiping it using any wipes or tissues with alcohol. Take out the battery if you don't use it for a long time. Store the unit in some protective case when you don't use it. Hazards and risks in using infrared thermometer. Keep the thermometer out of the reach of children. Do not put the thermometer or battery into the fire. And don't fall into the water.